Hello, I'm Alex from MovinsEdition. I'll introduce a Puma 엑셀레이트 6 white item from the MovinsEdition series. The premium collection of Puma indoor shoes with only one new product from MovinsEdition. It's Puma 엑셀레이트 6 indoor shoes. Enjoy Puma 엑셀레이트 6 indoor shoes as a new, hard-to-find product optimized for indoor sports, regardless of fine dust or weather. Archtech 2.0. EverTrack. Excel. 360 degrees snug comport. Non-marking. There are a lot, right? There are a lot of technologies that are applied because it's a premium product. Outsole function that provides safety including slip protection, improved grip and durability. A system that supports the arch of the foot with the technology of Puma, a cushioning system, and a system that provides flexibility and refinement. This is the premium collection of Puma indoor shoes, a new product owned by MovinsEdition. Puma 엑셀레이트 6 guarantees top function lightweight technology as well as best comfort. A true indoor multi-talent for a pleasant match is Cell 4 improved shock absorption in forefoot and heel. Abrasion-resistant synthetic leather upper and breathable mesh for vampan tongue. Very comfortable to wear 360 degrees snug comfort concept in forefoot ensures easy adjustment and offers stability. Eva Cell in forefoot and heel 4 improved shock absorption. Archtech supports your arch. EverTrack non-marking rubber outsole provides durability in high-wear areas. It was a Puma 엑셀레이트 6 white product with various technologies such as Archtech 2.0. EverTrack, Excel, 360 degrees snug comport, non-marking, etc. It's a new product that's hard to find and is Puma 엑셀레이트 6 indoor shoes.